What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So I do want to share a lot more with you all out there in the digital marketing space and the AI, blah, 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 SEO space. Now, I am a strong SEO consultant, and that's really what I benefit consumers most on is strategically helping them implement SEO or other marketing strategies that will definitely make their business quite successful. That's my stronghold. We do manage some SEO clients as well as some web development and ad clients. But mostly what I'm steering towards now is just providing the insight and helping people implement strategy that will help them, separate what is faction fiction out there. Obviously, as you've been around in this space, there's a lot of different information that misguides you or confusions you, and there's a lot of different opinions on things. That said, I don't think many people can argue that AI overviews are real and they are taken away from clicks that you normally receive on organic results. So, what is an AI overview? Let's give a quick look. I'm going to do this randomly. It doesn't show up all the time, so hopefully we get some action here. How do you bake a what can we bake, guys? Pizza with homemade dough. No idea if we'll get an AI overview. Doesn't look like we did. That sucks. All right, so let's just do how to bake bacon in the oven with foil. Guys, shitty examples, right? Um, Best way to unclog a shower drain. There we go. We got one. Yay. Normally, I'm getting these on every shot, but sorry for not doing that. Typically, they are related to questions. They're related to, hey, this is the best way to do this, or this is how you do this. All these type of different types of queries are generally what's going to bring it up. Now, you can find results and AI overviews for just about anything. That being said, you see best way to unclog a shower drain. Okay, so we got an AI overview. This is Search Labs AI overview. This is what I wanted you guys to recognize. So what this does, it brings us up factual information about how to best way to unclog a shower drain, da 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 da. And right off the bat, according to Sin City Plumbing, congratulations, Sin City Plumbing, you've made the cut. So Sin City Plumbing has got you up here. Guess what else we have up here? We got Reddit, we got YouTube. These results are going to show up a lot in AI overviews quite often, guys. Um, there's a few big tricks to this, and I'm going to be showing and maybe putting together something small for everybody to go over. I'm not sure quite yet how I want to display that or offer to the public because this is really valuable information. But my goal is to help everyone out, and really, I'm not out there to do anything. But again, I really want to put people in the right place on their decision making, and that's what I try to do with my consulting work. Okay, so that said, you can see identify the clog according to a Boggleheads forum user, according to what's this? Bungalow, Quora. We're getting actions from these links, Reddit, YouTube. All these are showing different results. In Town Plumbing now has it there. Mr. Rooter. So let's just click on Boggleheads forum. Boom, we have a forum. My goodness, a plumbing forum out there that you can utilize for yourself, inspired by Jack Bogle. I don't know who the heck that is. And I won't go into detail, but my normal kind of ADHD self, sorry, it's factual, but we are highly creative, productive people. And if my normal self would take this Jack Bogle, whatever you say his name, and I would search the hell out of him. But I'm not going to do that today. That's not what I'm here for. So this guy, or so to speak, has got this crazy blog forum here with all kinds of stuff that's been there since 2006, 7, active in 11 and 21. So people are actually using this. All right. This is my first time seeing this. That said, we have it showing up in an AI overview. So we can get that action on some of this. Now, the main thing is one thing to help. Let's just go through best 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 method to cleaning a pistol. And we're going to get an AI overview again, and hopefully a really nice one here. It's generating it now. providing detailed structures on firearm maintenance, firearm safety as a practitioner. That's a weird one, guys. Uh, Dive deeper in AI mode. Let's click this. And it's going to bring us this firearm safety as a veterinarian practitioner, a little practitioner. Um, and that's going to a PDF. Quite interesting. Okay, so that's been indexed. Everything here has been indexed. This is one good thing to show up in AI overview. So what I've done here is compile some articles. Okay, so AI overviews, mobile optimization, best practices, how to optimize AI overviews, SE rankings article, Google AI overviews optimization. Is it worth it? WordStream. By the way, WordStream has some nice blog articles. SEM Rush AI overviews study. What 2025 SEO data tells us about Google search. I'm not a fan of SEM Rush. They bash PBNs and they're full of shit for that. Great software, but they are full of shit for that. How to rank in AI search results, 9 effective strategy, Exponent 21. Not really familiar, but cool that they got this. Google AI overview spiked 2024 core update, search engine land, enterprise SEO and AI trends for 2025, search engine journal. And down here we have Lumar.ai, .io, AI search in 25, Geo for LLMs and AI overviews. So these are the ones I'm going to click on right off. We'll show you 2 articles, and we won't take up much more of your time here. Okay. I missed this one. The mobile optimization is one I wanted to bring up. Let's just Google that and see what we bring in here. All right. So we're looking to do mobile optimization. Okay, guys. So I really was looking for that particular article, AI mobile optimization tips, which I believe I had it, but I might have lost it. Did get the link to it. Let's see if we. No, I don't have it. Okay. Anyway, how to optimize for AI. Let's see what this one has. SEA ranking, key takeaways. Definitely want to run experiments on what's showing up there, kind of reverse engineer some of those things if you like on your pages. But one thing we've noticed is search queries and that are answering questions, and again are best of, highest rated, top rated, um, those type of things, top 10. Those type of things are showing up very well, okay, in your AI search overviews. Now, one more thing is mobile indexation. There's several different articles out there that you can read just to provide you with fast mobile indexing. Fast mobile indexing. Let's wait a minute. I should have this on. I probably cleared my history. Mobile indexing, a website. Not sure if that's a search query I use, but we're going to get an AI overview from Google developers. Doesn't surprise me. It's probably a good way to go about this as far as looking at what to do. But you want to cover all your technical SEO fundamentals. This right here, what AI showed us overall, is good tips. So Google Now Primaries uses the mobile version of a website that determines rankings. Your mobile site should be focused on SEO efforts, ensure the mobile site's well optimized, speed, etc. Now, if you don't know that, you should know that. Mobile is absolutely important, dire importance for SEO, and you should be looking at that first, your mobile version over your desktop, believe it or not, okay? Nostrum, that's 2024. Let's see. Let's check this article. Most of these are going to be copycat type stuff. This is from over a year ago. But you can go through this, and if you're not familiar on different tips to, give you stuff for mobile optimization, it comes down to having clean structure, clean site, responsive website, fast speeding, load speeds, times like that. Um, And yes, you can do this step right here. You can verify your site's mobile indexing status by checking your Google Search Console. Um, then click on your index station, left navigation, and index coverage report. Scan until you see the mobile first indexing. enable section. If enabled, explicitly state enabled for entitled site. Selecting this provides more details. You can view URL versions, etc. Okay. So we want to make sure that we have our site fully mobile optimized so it gets indexed right away, and we have a nice mobile first indexing type structure set up. Okay, very good. Um, I believe Woodward's got an article too in here on this. Last year, let's see what these guys got. I just like to point out a few things. These new terms they're using, they make sense. So, Brighton SEO. Purpose-built search features falls under AI augmented search. Okay, AI augmented search is something else you can look at as far as how to gauge some of that. Let's see. This doesn't really give me much. It probably confuses you more than anything. Stumble upon AI by following your usual search. Yeah, this is telling us everything we already know. So natural language processing is definitely part of this. A nice branded message is definitely part of this. You always notice good brands. You're going to notice Quora. You're going to notice Reddit. You're going to notice YouTube. You're going to notice forums. And everybody who has great mobile optimization, fast loading sites, an established brand, you can get AI overviews pretty much like money, like clockwork. Um, Creating a nice optimized article, I was getting them left and right showing up in search overviews or AI overviews, excuse me. So just a few little things to show you and to get excited about. SEO is absolutely not dead. These are some rebirthing things that we need to acknowledge and actually strategize for. And unfortunately, many in our community, maybe not prepping or planning for the artificial intelligence that's showing up on search. And more so, they're starting to try to work AI and artificial intelligence and build all these extra special tools that automate this or that. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. I don't knock nobody for their business practice. But if you're in SEO and you plan to stay in SEO, you really should be looking at what AI is going to be doing to our search engines, what it has done to our search engine. And this is a whole new form of search optimization, guys. This isn't just us showing up on the front page of Google, because if we do, like this is Bing's browser. So if I go to Google and we just do Google and we do like this and we say best optimization practices, we're going to come down to content quality, structure, all this stuff, concise languaging. You can get a good result right there. And I'm going to provide you a link in the bottom of this video that has a nice PDF with some great articles to read about this. Obviously, the stuff you can find on search yourself, but if you have just a kind of a log for acquiring this information, you'll be more prepared once you actually stop and say, okay, let's do this from the start. Let's read over everything. Let's create a checklist on what we need to be doing. Okay. Now we have a checklist we started handing to our VA. I'm not providing it to the public. I don't want it to be shared amongst everybody at this very moment until I feel like it's comfortably perfected and it is of advantage to each person who applies it. No need to waste your time if something's not been tested thoroughly yet by us, and we're going to test it thoroughly before we ever offer you anything publicly. Okay? All right. I'm glad you listened to all this. I appreciate you spending about, 15 minutes with me so far here. And just please like or follow my channel. I'm brand new to all this. I need to show my face more. I'm not even sure how to do all this video stuff perfectly, but I will be providing you as much valuable information as you like on AI, SEO, and web development. Thank you all for listening, and take care. Feel free to ask any questions and comments as well. Thank you.